The presence of the Commanding General of the Philippine Air Force, Lieutenant General Stephen P. Pareño, Philippine Air Force, for our ceremonial. Thank you.
Morning po, sir.
Ito, ilalas balis na hindi ako magbabaya.
Morning po, sir.
Jing! Silverte na lang. Silver, para maraming verde ang labanan.
So, isang team marker na tayo, sir?
Ha?
Isang team marker na lang.
Oo.
Silver?
Lugi tayo sa mga bata. Lamang din. Lugi sa tumawalo ko eh. Ikaw, sir. Kaya nito. O, sanay ka dapat. Minsan, sir, gusto magpula. Kasi naabol yung yun eh. Balatan mo. Swerte lang. Nangyari mo. Wala ka lo ano ah.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the PMA Sambisi Class 91 PAP Group Drive for Excellence at VAP-GC Golf Tournament. To grace our ceremonial tee-off, first to tee is the President of the Air Force Group of the PMA Class 91 Sambisi, Brigadier General Lloyd Gabakungan, Philippine Air Force. A big round of applause, please.
Yun!
Thank you, sir. Next to tee for our ceremonial tee-off is the Vice Commander of the Philippine Air Force and the Chairperson of the Philippine Air Force MWR POVI, Major General Agustin S. Malinit, Philippine Air Force. A big round of applause, please.
Lawin mo, ha?
Nice shot, sir. Thank you so much. And to officially declare this Drive for Excellence Golf Tournament at VAP-GC, let's give a big round of applause to the Commanding General of the Philippine Air Force, Lieutenant General Stephen P. Pareño, Philippine Air Force. And the member of the PMA Sambisi Class 91.
Yun! Patay!
Amazing shot, sir. Thank you so much. May we request the members of the PMA Sambisi Class 91 for the souvenir photo opportunity, please? May we request all parties shotgun tee-off to start at 7 a.m. Rules for today is to all participants, kindly proceed to your designated holes now. To all participants, kindly proceed to your designated holes now. Thank you and happy golfing.
Silver na pala kayo? Para relax. talaga. Maulod. Honorable. Fire. Fire for effect. O yung mga taga-silver, punta na. Sablo ka ba? Ano ba pa yung ama?
Shot!
Burung-burung, malayo yan. Right. 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 Yun. Right. Lalabas yan.
Fairway. After po ng jabong. Nice shot. Uy, nag-draw. Layo ah. Ang aming PAL player, si Sir General Bess. Good shot. Good shot. Gagaling nyo pala, sir eh. Thank you po. Thank you, sir.
Hole number 18, par 5.
Kabig.
Ayan o.
Kanan. Last hole po, sir.
Last hole. Last hole. Seryoso po eh.
Yes, sir. Dun sa kanan, sa may white stick.
Tarapan?
Sa may pader. Shot. Yun, layo oh. Oh, opo may sir. Napaganda. Yan. Thank you po, sir.
Thank you.
Opo. Nice shot on the green. Nice on. 3 on for putting birdie. Gagaling naman dito.
Patay, over yan. Kitang-kita.
Par.
Ay, laki. Yun! Dapat! Hey! Medyo kalakas kanina siya. Pati na ba yan? Sige na. Lebron. Ikutan lang kami na bulan. Nice! Tapos lang!
Ooh.
Maklas full eh. Diretso? Nice game, Bok. Nice game. Thank you. Nice game. Let's go, let's go. Likod ka. Kita tayo. Aris, magsama na kayo. Sige, Bok. May punta lang kami ni ano na butas. Hindi ko pala yung cellphone ko. Cellphone mo na lang.
Hi! Meron pa palang palibreng ice cream. At kinokolekta na.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Huwag pong kalimutang i-like and subscribe. Thank you.